AirDrop lets you wirelessly transfer files between iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Vision Pro. As long as they're within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range, you can send photos, videos, documents, and more. Here's how to transfer files from iPhone to Mac. Part 1. Preparations before AirDrop iPhone to Mac. To transfer files via AirDrop, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Your iPhone and Mac are within range. Once set up, follow the steps to transfer files from iPhone to Mac or MacBook. Part 2. How to AirDrop from iPhone to Mac correctly. To check AirDrop support, Mac, open Go in the menu bar. iPhone iPad, open Control Center. To AirDrop from iPhone to Mac. Enable AirDrop. Mac, Finder Go AirDrop. Turn on Wi-Fi, then choose Everyone or Contacts Only. On iPhone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap the AirDrop option in the Control Center. Then you can choose whether to receive items from everyone or only from people in your Contacts app. Step 2. Find the file on your iPhone and tap the Share icon. Step 3. Select the AirDrop icon from the Share menu. Step 4. Tap your Mac under the AirDrop section to start the transfer. Ensure both devices are in range and AirDrop is on. Step 5. Accept or decline the incoming file notification on your Mac. Part 3. AirDrop iPhone to Mac failed? Issues and fixes. AirDrop missing. Check compatibility. AirDrop in Finder. Toggle AirDrop. Mac can't find iPhone. Restart. Set to everyone. Can't AirDrop music. Use Mobikin. Transfer failed. Same file type. Part 4. How to transfer files from iPhone to Mac without AirDrop. AirDrop has limitations, so Mobikin Assistant for iOS Mac Windows is a great alternative. It transfers 14 plus file types between iOS devices and computers, and allows direct file management. How to transfer data to iMac or MacBook or Mac from iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install the program on your Mac computer. Connect your iPhone to the Mac with a USB cable. Step 2. Trust the Mac and your iPhone will be recognized by the Mac. Then, you'll see an interface like below. Step 3. Preview and choose the files you wish to send and click Export button to send them from iPhone to Mac easily. If you want to load files from Mac to iPhone, just click the button like Import.